أنا العبد الذي كسب الذنوب وصدته الأماني أن يتوب.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. حامدا ومصليا أما بعد. Really, I'm inspired and impressed by the observations and feedbacks and encouraging words by our venerable guests as well as prominent and scholar rectors. Now I'm going to offer a word of thanks to our prominent guests for sparing their precious time, and I welcome them. Thank you. Respected guests and dear audience, I am deeply indebted to your full cooperation as a form of your auspicious presence from the beginning to the end to beautify our humble program. Especially we are highly grateful to our prominent guests for taking time out to attend the program. We lack words to express our full gratitude to them. I can only pray for you all to be happy in this world and hereafter. Amen. Really, your attendance gave alone the beauty to our program, and the credit of this successful program goes to you. Dear co-religionists, at this juncture, we cannot miss the name of our dynamic, humble, and cooperative director of the Department of Diploma in English Language and Literature, Maulana Muhammad Dr. Shakib Qasmi Sahib, the chief editor of the worldwide biannual magazine Wahdatul Ummah. His comprehensive logistic and advisory supports facilitated the program. We acknowledge his all-round cooperation and contribution and pray for him to remain evergreen and stay healthy and hearty. Once again, I extend my thanks to our lovable guests and wish them a peaceful and happy life. Thank you.
أنا العبد الذي كسب الذنوب وصدته